Welcome back, everybody. Today we start kind of a new project. This is one section of the project, this massive master bedroom with this vintage skip trowel texture. So in here is a bathroom, a massive master bathroom. All right, come on in. It's massive. All right, we've got about 9-foot ceiling up here at the peak, and down to about 7.5, 8 foot over here. Still on an angle. Can you even see me? We got the collar tie goes right straight through this. A lot of people have been mentioning, what the heck is with that? This is a vintage house, a quirky house, a house that has character, and that's the selling point. Today I got to get back to my roots. I am a professional drywaller. Been doing drywall for 25 years. I took a little bit of a hiatus. I go back, I go forth. Well, I'm going forth and back right now. I'm going to start on the outside of the bathroom, the outside wall, which is the master closet. There's a lot of weird angles, especially in this area here. This is going to take a lot of thinking and a lot of staring, just staring at it. And sometimes you just got to do some trial and error and start putting some boards up and see where the lines are going to hit so you can figure out how to tie it all together. Light switch. Not looking like the light supposed to be. Got it. Look at that. It's time to talk about today's video sponsor. It's Hone Health. They help men with their hormone levels, specifically testosterone. If you're unfamiliar with this topic of discussion, I'm going to bring you up to speed. I'm not a medical expert. I'm just a regular 45-year-old guy that has been interested in getting my testosterone level checked. Over the past few generations, testosterone levels in men have declined. Testosterone levels in men also declines as you get older. I'm 45 years old and I do manual labor for my career. To put food on the table, I do manual labor. I don't quite have the output that I used to back when I was, say, 25 or even 35. You guys might know what I'm talking about. As we've gotten older, our energy has gone down, our physical output has gone down, We're drinking more coffee to try to get that energy back. I'm at the stage where no amount of coffee can bring me back to the level that I used to be. And I've actually looked into it in the past and kind of ran into some roadblock. I did some Google searches and never really found an easy way to get the test done, because that's what I'm most curious about, is what the level is. And if it's low, what can I do about it? That's where Hone Health comes in. It's a simple, easy to do test. You do it at home, you put it in a package, you mail it back to them. When they get the results, you do a live video chat with a doctor to discuss your levels and come up with a treatment plan based off your levels and symptoms. I'm gonna do the test and I will be revealing my results probably on my Handyman Business YouTube channel. This topic just came up in one of our live streams last week. It was a 6-hour long live stream. Lots of man talk in that live stream. If you want to do it too, for a limited time, it's $45. There'll be a link in the description. It's honehealth.com/handyman. Take advantage of it now. We're gonna see if we get this in the first try. I've used my angle finder, made some, is that the right piece? I think that's the right piece. Precise measurements. This is the first try. Gotta go around the beam, connect right into there. If it doesn't fit, I got my pencil right here ready to draw on this of where I would need to shave things down. All right, I'm going to end today's video right here. Kind of gets into something a little bit different other than drywall, and I want that to be at the beginning of the next video, which is getting that mixer valve installed and completing the rest of the drywall, and then we will move right into waterproofing. There's a lot of people that are curious about what method I'm going to use to waterproof this drywall so that the drywall just doesn't rot away inside this shower. It's going to be my first time using this system, and I'm curious to see if it's worth the extra money because it's very expensive. Is it more efficient? Is it more foolproof, meaning it takes a lower skill level to actually get a good result than old school methods? I'll be discussing that later on in the video series. Goodbye.